And we're back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube outro screen in Adobe Photoshop. Bear in mind, this video is not about designing it, it's about the perfect size. It took me some time to find it myself, so I thought it would be helpful for some if I make a video that shows you the specific sizes of these outro screens for YouTube in Photoshop. Let us start with the overall size under New. So File, New, you want to have 1920 x 1080, click on OK. Let me close my old window here, I don't want to save it. So this is what we've created here, Untitled 2. I'll unlock the background, give it the quick name BG. Make sure you've got black and white as colors, then activate the rectangle tool, left click. You want to have 1920 x 90, press OK. And this is the short video bar that YouTube videos have. So you can click on play and adjust the volume. So keep that in mind, that you don't put anything down there in your outro screen. I will upload this Photoshop file on my website. You can download it there for free. And I'm going to link to my website in the description below. You will find in the top menu on my website a download link that says free stuff. It will be there. So that's the first element of these outro screens. The second one is typically the subscribe circle. If you want to add that to your outro screen, let me activate the ellipse tool, left click, and it has a size of 294 x 294. Obviously in the YouTube Creator Studio you can resize your circles and all of these elements a little bit, but there are limits to it, and 295 x 295 works very well. Don't try to get bigger or much smaller. That would be problematic for your outro screen. The next element is a typical circle. It has the same size as the subscribe element. So if you want to link to a different channel or something completely different, you can use a circle as well, and it has 294 x 294 pixels as a size. The next element is the square element, and it has the same size as the circle. So 294 pixels in width and height. I don't see many people using that square element, but it's there. So I don't want to leave it out in this video. And the most prominent elements that you see in my videos and most of the videos on YouTube is a rectangle element for the videos. So when you want to link to a popular video or the next video, previous video in your channel, and it's 615 x 345. And you can use all of these sizes to create frames for these elements. If you want to adjust this template that I will be giving you, make sure that you don't select it all. You've got the video bar selected as well. You want to use the marquee tool, just like this, and then spare out the video bar. And then center the elements properly. I think that looks way better. And obviously, when you adjust the template, you don't want to use the text that I've given you here for the sizes. Maybe you want to add a background. To do that, just use a new rectangle that spans the whole area, so the whole canvas. Put it below all of the elements, and then maybe use a gradient. I'll simply use a preset to show you what I mean. Let me reflect that and change the angle a little bit. And I can scale it up or down, just like this. So maybe you want to do something like that to have more action in the background. And maybe you want to add some text elements to the frames that you create. Let me use Custom Ultra FLF. That looks way better. Another default font in Photoshop, you should have it as well. And you can use it to give your elements the typical names like subscribe, next video, or previous video. And this is how you can create these outro screens for YouTube videos. As I've said, you will find the template in the description below on my website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.